the Learning Academy. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Today we'll be exploring another one of Google's amazing web applications, Google Books. So we are in the modern days, technologically advanced age. Basically, so we don't necessarily have to go to the library anymore. The library comes to us. Google has brought the digital library to us. Many of us are not aware. Many of us are not as knowledgeable about the Google applications. However, there are many books that are available in full text on Google Books. So when you go to do your regular search in Chrome, like I'm about to do right now, you select the Chrome application, it opens to Google. You want to click something. I would search for Google Books. That's my choice. But if I search for anything, I will still have these tabs coming across my screen in my Google Chrome application. So you will see the first option says Google Books. It says search the world's most comprehensive index of full text books. And you can get to see at least 1 to 50 pages where you can read. It's in PDF, guys, which is very good. And then basically, I know that you should be able to use a keyword search to find a specific term or a specific section of the book that you would like to read. So where I'm going to go now, I'm going to select books, right? If I wanted to look for a specific topic, say I'm interested in Einstein, I select the search, and then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to look at Einstein, His Life and the Universe. So here you go. You have the cover book in the corner. You have the first page. Let's scroll down. It says Einstein, His Life and Universe, and it's written by Walter Isaacson. You have all this information down here so that you can do your references or you can write your bibliography, all of the information. And for those persons who are studying library and information studies, this is perfect because here you have ISBN numbers. You can use this information. If you are creating a digital library for yourself, or if you're using a digital library software, all of this information is right here. You can just take it and enter into probably Koa or Greenstone or whatever library software that you are using. You can just basically take down this information and enter it when you're doing your data entry for your cataloging. And as you can see, it has contents. These should be selectable as well. You see, you scroll down and then you'll be able to read. It starts at the acknowledgement. Not all books are available in full, but there are most you can find in that way. And you can read. And I'm sure if you wanted to read stories, you should be able to find them in this listing as well. As you can see, let's choose another book. I know that if I try to probably pick, let's say, Universe here, it may not give me, because my screen is not broad enough. Right, but you can see over here, I can select a page. And you see, basically, you can see that there's a page on the side there. And if I scroll over, I'm seeing it a little bit more. But for the phone screen, it's not so easy. But if you were using your computer, I promise you'll be seeing everything. It's just that on this device, there's not enough screen space for me to actually show you a better look. Let's try something else. Let's look for dogs, just random dogs. And let us look and let's find a book, Nutrient Requirements of Dogs and Cats. This is page 1. And you see, you can look at it. You can on your computer, you should be able to zoom in as well. And you can read. This is perfect for those persons who are involved in research or those going to college, primary school, whichever level of education that you're at, whether it's tertiary, high school, wherever, secondary, primary, or even basic school. You can go and look for what you want. And this is the amazing digital library that Google has given to us, and it has been around for a very long time. It is not new. But all you need to do is explore the options that you have. We have technology at our advantage, and we should take full advantage of it to make our lives better, to help us to do our schoolwork, or to help us to help our children to do their schoolwork. We need to take full advantage. You can also see there are options in the corner there where it says you can get the print book. You can choose to even purchase books here as well. So let us try another option under Google Books. Let us look for marketing. I'm just trying to show you that whatever you choose to look for, there is an option here. This is marketing communications. So basically, if you are studying to be a marketing professional, you can find information here, because I'm sure your teacher would have given you assignments or projects to work on various topics in marketing, and whatever you wanted to come and look for right here, I promise you that you will find it. So you shouldn't have a problem. And I don't think teachers and lecturers are so strict nowadays that they will be saying that you cannot reference a material that is in its electronic form, because that is the way we're going. We're releasing ebooks over print books, right? It's just that the most persons are still traditional and they still want to have that feel of the book in their hands, so the publishers may cater to those persons' needs. However, majority of books are released in ebook form, facilitate use on smartphones, use on Kindles, and various other devices that will facilitate electronic use of these books or information material. So do not limit yourselves. If you're not able to go to the library, you have the internet access on your cell phone or on your computer. Please do that. There are many universities and colleges and many even public libraries who have books online. These books, this is the way to go. It's now digital library time, and Google started this long ago. It's just that we have not been paying attention. But people, now is the time to pay attention. Now is the time to make it happen. You see all the keywords are highlighted. So just as I told you, if you were to pick, go to the side and type in the keyword, you would see it, right? And I think you can add the books to your library as well. If you were to want to like favorite the books, look, there's a listing, my books on Google Play, purchased, reviewed. You have a good listing, so you can add the books to favorite and so forth. You can do anything you want to do with Google. The options are limitless. They are endless, guys. And I just want to encourage you to take advantage, full advantage of Google Books when you want to do your research, or if you just want to do some reading to educate and elevate yourself. So remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is all about Google Books, and we leave you today at this moment. This has been the Learning Academy. Thanks for watching.